WhatsApp is one of the most popular chat apps today, but when using a WhatsApp account on Android, many users run into common account-related issues. In this video, we'll answer the most frequently asked questions and show you how to fix them quickly. Create a WhatsApp account with a SIM card. Install WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Open it and tap Agree and Continue. Select your country, enter your phone number, and verify it with the code you receive. Create a WhatsApp account without a SIM card. You have two options. Use apps that receive calls or messages over Wi-Fi for verification. Use a landline number and tap Call Me to get the verification call may not work in all regions. Part 2. Can I use old WhatsApp account with new SIM card? Change WhatsApp number on the same phone. Open WhatsApp settings, account change number. Enter your old number, then the new one, and verify. Your account, groups, and settings move to the new number. 2. Use a new phone with a new number. Step 1. Change the phone number on your old phone by following the steps above. Step 2. Back up the WhatsApp data on your old phone to Google Drive. Click on Settings. Chats Chat Backup. This will enable you to view your chat history on the new device. Step 3. Next, you need to delete WhatsApp account on your old phone. Step 4. Download and install WhatsApp on your new device. Then launch it and sign in with your new phone number. Step 5. Then, you need to verify the number once again, and after that, you will be asked whether to restore a backup. Just tap on Restore to move the data to your new phone. Part 3. Is it possible to manage two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone? Yes. You can use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. Android. Use Dual App or App Twin or Parallel Space. iPhone. Use WhatsApp plus WhatsApp Business.